Volante Technologies said at an EBA Day event that Ripple could change the game for payment service providers, which would help cross-border payments. Also, why does the SEC not like Ripple? Is it taking too long to decide on the case? Also, the head of SBI agreed with Ripple in general. Getting regulatory approval in Singapore and making business blockchain relationships stronger. Lastly, XRP is facing some slight capitulation while most assets are seeing trades to take profits. Does this mean that XRP is more likely to go up? Follow me until the end to learn more. All of you, hello and welcome to our service, where we talk about what's new with XRP and the world of cryptocurrencies in general. If you are watching one of our movies for the first time, we will be happy to send you a special welcome. We want you to click the bell so that you never miss a movie. We're letting people know that this station is giving away 200 XRP. To enter, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hashtag XRP. The winner will be revealed on June 30. Volante Technologies said that Ripple gives payment service providers a big chance to make money. Volante Technologies, a trusted cloud payments partner known for helping financial businesses come up with new ideas quickly, said that Ripple gives payment service providers a big chance. Vinay Prabhakar, Chief Marketing Officer at Volante Technologies, talked about the benefits of cloud payment processing and mentioned Ripple as a key player at an EBA Day event. Remember that it was just recently reported that the International Monetary Fund has recognized Ripple and XRP as important parts of changing the way cross-border payments are made. The crypto world just found out about the endorsement by Volante Technologies by an anonymous but powerful member of the XRP group. In a tweet, the influencer shared a short video clip from an EBA Day event where a Volante Technologies employee talked about how Ripple and GPI, global payments innovation, could change the world. The Euro Banking Association and local service providers put on EBA Day, which is the most important meeting for leaders in payments and transaction banking. It gets banks from the top tier to sign up. Globally, the EBA Day event, which brings together business leaders and banking executives, is a place to talk about new developments and trends in the payments and transaction banking world. Top European and international banks were there, which adds to the importance of the talks and the growing acceptance of Ripple and GPI as solutions for payment service providers that could change the game. Please remember to subscribe to our station and also hit that bell to be the first person to know what's going on with XRP. As people who use cryptocurrencies wait. In XRP versus SEC, John Deaton, a lawyer for XRP, has made new guesses about when the ruling might come. In the SEC versus Ripple summary judgment decision, pro-XRP lawyer John Deaton has made some new guesses about when the decision might come. In a crypto law show on Monday, attorney Deaton said that she thought Judge Annalisa Torres might decide on September 6, 2023. Deaton says that Judge Torres usually makes decisions about summary judgments a few months after she rules on Daubert or expert cases. After Judge Torres decided the Daubert motions, it took her between 2 and 6 months to release the summary ruling. Using the 6-month time frame and Torres' decision on the Daubert motion in the Ripple case on March 6, Deaton thought that the summary judgment might come on September 6 after her Daubert decision. So, 6 months after she decides on Daubert. Notably, Deaton said that his comment about when the judge might make a decision puts an end to the idea that the SEC versus Ripple case is taking longer than any other case she has been in charge of. People in the XRP community have complained that the judge is taking too long to release the summary ruling. Attorney Deaton said about the new information that Judge Torres might delay the decision because she knows how important the SEC versus Ripple case is. Deaton says that Judge Torres knows that the Ripple case is a very important one. Attorney Deaton also said that Judge Torres knows that thousands of people, including appellate courts, will look at her summary judgment ruling in the Ripple case. Also, Judge Torres has more than 500 open cases this morning, and 44 of them are criminal cases. Now that you have a summary judge's move for Brad Garland's house, do you see how complicated this can get? Christopher Larson, so many decisions for the SEC and so many decisions for Ripple. So each of those papers is over 50 pages. So you're talking about hundreds and hundreds of pages of just arguments that need to be read. In the meantime, Deaton had said that the case might end on a certain date. As was reported, Deaton said earlier this year that Judge Torres might decide on the summary judgment by or before May 6, but things didn't go the way he thought they would, as the judge hasn't decided yet. Also, Ripple's chairman, Yoshitaka Kitao, has used Twitter to talk about the company's recent regulatory win in the Asia-Pacific area. The president and CEO of Japanese financial services giant SBI Holdings took to Twitter to talk about Ripple's recent regulatory wins in the Asia-Pacific area. In particular, Kitao told the Japanese crypto community that the Monetary Authority of Singapore has given in-principle approval to Ripple's Singapore branch, Ripple Markets APAC. As was recently revealed, the regulatory approval is for Ripple's application for a major payments institution license. This makes Ripple one of the top 20 companies to do this. With the license, Ripple can offer regulated goods and services, which will help its crypto-enabled on-demand liquidity service reach even more people. In particular, Ripple's ODL service grew a lot around the world in 2022, and a lot of trades went through Singapore. Over the past year, Ripple has hired twice as many people in the region as it did the year before. They are focused on important tasks like business development, compliance, finance, legal, and sales. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, was very happy to get the in-principle license. He said that Singapore is an important global financial center and a gateway to business in the Asia-Pacific area. Garlinghouse praised MAS for taking the lead in setting clear rules that recognize the innovation and real-world use of digital assets. He also emphasized Ripple's commitment to building strong partnerships to help the digital assets ecosystem in Singapore grow and develop. Under the leadership of Chairman Yoshitaka Kitao, SBI Holdings has built a close relationship with Ripple, which is a leader in corporate blockchain and cryptocurrency solutions. SBI has worked hard to promote Ripple's solutions, especially in the area of international payments. In 2016, SBI and Ripple joined forces to form SBI Ripple Asia, which is a business relationship. Ripple's recent regulatory approval in Singapore makes the partnership between SBI and Ripple even stronger. It shows how much SBI respects Ripple's successes and how they both see the future of digital assets. Is there a chance that the price of XRP will go up? Now the big question of the day, is it likely that the price of XRP will go up? Please remember to subscribe to our station and also hit that bell to be the first person to know what's going on with XRP. The bears have moved XRP away from the psychological level of $0.50 because it didn't do well during the latest market rise. In this situation, some XRP investors have given up, which is causing market players to worry. But a new report from the behavior analysis company Sentiment says that this trend shows that XRP is more likely to become a major currency. The ratio for Bitcoin is 0.31. The ratio for Ethereum is 0.40. The ratio for Litecoin is 0.12. And the ratio for Cardano is 0.03. XRP, on the other hand, has a ratio of minus 0.26, which means that most buyers are losing money when they trade XRP. Even though there are worries, Sentiment says this is a slightly bullish sign. According to the behavior analytics platform, historical data shows that a price rally often happens after a period of losses and a higher number of on-chain transactions that result in losses. The Crypto Basics study proved that the price spikes in January and March were real. The number dropped to minus 0.7 on January 1. This drop happened right before a price rise that brought XRP back to $0.43 on January 23. Also, on March 11, the index fell to minus 0.17. This drop caused the XRP March to rise to start. On March 29, XRP finally reached $0.58. The reason for this trend is that if a crypto asset has a higher ratio of losses to profits, It could mean that weak hands or investors with less confidence are giving up or selling their holdings due to market turbulence. Once these lesser players have given up or left the market, it can create a situation where supply pressure goes down, which could let the price go back up. At the moment, XRP is selling at a low of $0.47. Bearish news about XRP came out on June 22 after it fell from its high of $0.52. Guys, this video has come to an end. If you liked it, please make sure to select the video, hit the notification bell, and follow. This helps me a lot with how YouTube works. Also, you can help educate others the way you have been educated by sharing this movie with as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. Don't miss any of our material if you like cryptocurrency. We'll see you tomorrow to talk about the latest local news that affects us all.